TripleLLL here again, and thanks for tuning in. Today we're gonna be cooking an healthy dish with some crab meat, vegetable, and rice. I'm a rice guy. I love rice, not just rice, but rice mainly. So today I'm gonna take you guys in the journey of how I prepared this meal right now. So stay tuned, guys. So now I'm gonna show you guys the vegetable that I use within this meal. So first we have the onion. Second we got the tomato. Then we got the cucumbers, cucumber, as Jamaicans speak. Yeah. Then we got the sweet pepper, which is the yellow sweet pepper. Then we have the jalapeno. Some say jalapeno, but I say jalapeno. Now we got the carrot, shredded carrot. And we have another sweet pepper, which is the red one. And the last thing is the mango. So now I'm gonna put all those vegetables in the pot to let them fry down with some oil. Not fried to that much, but fry just a little bit fried down. I'm gonna take you guys through the process and show you guys how I do my thing. So here I have my pot. I'm just gonna pour some oil inside, not that much. Now I'm gonna pour in the vegetables. Sweet pepper. Pour in the cucumbers. I'm going to pour in the jalapeno. So now I'm going to pour in some salt. Not that much. And some black pepper. So now I leave the carrots and the mango out. I'm gonna put those in when I'm pouring the coconut milk and the crab meat inside the pot. That's when I'm gonna put in those two. So I'll leave those two out when I'm gonna fry them. So now you can see everything is frying up. Smell good. Food smell good. Everything. Can't wait. I know some other people smelling, but you're gonna see nothing. And here we have the crab meat. I'm just gonna wash it off with some lime water, lime juice, something like that. I got to show you guys. I got 2 coconut milk right here. Grace. You guys can use any of the coconut milk, but I choose to use these Grace. So I'm gonna mix that all in whenever I'm finished frying the vegetable and crab meat. And I'm thinking to put some plantain on the side. I don't know yet. Some ripe plantain. You can just squeeze some lime over it. I'll let it sit for a couple minutes, like a minute, or maybe less. I'm going to turn it on the other side. Oh. So squeeze the lime for it to soak in to the crab, and then we're going to put it inside the pot. So now that we got the lime squeezed, just gonna give that a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds. So now I'm gonna pour it in the crab meat. So this is when I'm gonna start pouring my carrots on the mangoes. So we're gonna mix it up all together. I'm gonna pour in the coconut milk. If you think the coconut milk is not that much, you can add like some more. You can add some more to it. But I think this is enough for this portion. So I'm gonna let it sit there for 5 minutes and then check it back. The reason why I said 5 minutes, I want the mango to be kind of soft and for it to get little cookings to it. You know what I mean? That's everything blend up so you can taste that real good taste. You know what I mean? So see there, start bubbling up and thing. So I'm gonna leave that there for a couple of minutes. And yeah, I forgot that I have the rice. That's the rice right there. Yeah, it's already done, so ain't gotta worry about that. That's already out the way. So after this finish, I think I'm gonna cut up some plantain because my girl love plantain, so I figure she would like the plantain with this right here. And plantain can go with anything, as I said before, anything. Because plantain have a good taste, right? So for those who don't like plantain, make sure try it. Not everyone like everything. I mean, so yeah, I'm gonna be back after this 5 minutes is up. So make sure, guys, stay tuned. Don't leave, don't leave, cause the pot almost finished. So right, now let's check and see the procedure of the cooking of the pot. Yeah. Yep. Everything looking nice, everything looking good. Yep. That's the way I want it to be. So now I'm gonna be transferring the plantains from the plate to the pot. From the plate to the pot. And then we're gonna move from the pot to the plate, right? So yeah. Now I'm gonna be transferring from the pot to the plate. At first it was from the plate to the pot. Now it's from the pot to the plate, right? This is how your plant should look when you know your plant is well fried. That golden look. Now that the plant is all done. Know that everything is done. Crab finish. Rice finish. The plantain is all done. Now is my turn to taste this food. Whew, this, you know what? I think I'm gonna open a restaurant right now. Sometimes I even surprise myself the way I cook sometimes, I swear. But no, I can't wait to taste this food, yeah. But I think somebody already thieves my rice. Yep. Like, it's all good. Cause they're gonna come back for more, right? Alright. Let me get started to share my food. Cause I'm hungry. You know what? I'm gonna taste it first. Taste it. Oh, wow. This food, people. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Right now, subscribe right now. Do that for me, please. Subscribe right now, and please like the video. I can't stay right. See you guys next time in my next video. Peace out. I got it. Eat this food. It's good. What they doing? My little daughter is here. She's here too. See, alright? Yeah, even she smell it and make sure come in the kitchen. Yeah. She walk away down on the stairs. Abby, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. she